I'll be recording, yes. I'm trying my makeup. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe. So today I wanted to film kind of like a decluttering of my bedroom. I feel like I have way too much stuff that I don't need, that I just hoard, and it stresses me out to have everything messy. So I thought I'd show you guys how I declutter my room, because who doesn't love watching that? And maybe you guys can clean with me while you're at it. The first thing I feel like you should do while decluttering your room is clean everything that's on the floor. For me, that's usually just my shoes, like these right here. There's 2 pairs of shoes right there. So yeah, I'm gonna clean. Oh, there's another pair over there. Okay, so I'm just gonna put those in the closet, and then the next thing I'm gonna do is clean off everything on like the surfaces of my room. So like a couple things I have on my bed, extra stuff I have on my counters. My phone just talked to me. That was weird. Yeah, I'm gonna clean that up while putting some music on. And listening to music while cleaning helps a lot, so I'm gonna do that too. I really recommend beds with storages. If you guys are looking for some new beds, they're really helpful. Alright guys, so now I'm gonna go into like every single part, see what I need, see what I don't need. I think I'm gonna start with my hats because I have a lot of them and I need to give some away. So I'm gonna make a pile for things I'm gonna keep, things I'm gonna donate, and those 2 piles. Let's hope I can donate a lot of stuff, because I really need to clear my mind, clear my room, clear my mind. This is hard, guys. So we've got a lot to do still. Alright guys, so I officially tried to declutter as much as I could. My room finally looks neat. Could take out some more stuff, but you know me, the hoarder. I'll take out stuff little by little. I tried to deep clean it. I took out like some stuff, but the good thing is that my room's actually organized. Tips for if you're cleaning your room: first step, clean everything on the floor and clean everything on the surfaces. Then go into every single section, go through every single drawer, go through every single thing, and I went through a lot of stuff. But you know what? I think we're good here. Also, after you're done cleaning, you might find that you need some stuff that needs a place to be stored or something. Or so if you need to buy something to help organize, plan that out too. Like I have my guitars here, and I want to buy like a guitar stand so I can have them look neat in my room and look cool. Alright guys, so thank you for watching, and I hope you really enjoyed this video. Maybe it gave you some peace, maybe it gave you some ideas, maybe it's gonna make you want to clean your room and motivate you. Do it. Trust me, you'll feel so much better once your room feels clean, like your mind will feel clean. But yeah, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in another video. Take care of you.